Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you.
In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To change lock screen wallpaper on Windows 11 computer, right click on Start menu, click on Settings. In left pane, click on Personalization. Now scroll down. Here you will find lock screen. Click on it. And here you will find Personalize your lock screen, and Windows Spotlight is by default selected. Now click on Windows Spotlight and select Picture. Now click on drop down menu here and then click on Browse Photos and select the wallpaper. I'm selecting my wallpaper and then click on Choose Picture, and the wallpaper is added and it's set as the lock screen wallpaper in my Windows 11 computer. This is the easiest way to change lock screen wallpaper on Windows 11 computer.
This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.